Is this a group or a market? Every instruction is to be repeated three times to you people. Are you coming here for this purpose? I have written your name. Now just wait and watch.
No, sir. No, sir.
MC Kanzai Raza.
Yes, sir.
What is your full name?
Mehndi Reza Jumani.
I have written your full name. Yes, Nayani.
Yes, sir.
What is your full name?
Muhammad Raza Nayani.
Okay, I have written the names here.
Okay.
You are telling me okay. Now just wait and watch. लेक्चर के बाद अगर आपके पेरेंट्स का फोन आया तो मैं उनको सब ये रिकॉर्डिंग दिखाने वाला हूं. ये करने आते हो? इंग्लिश बोलना भी आता है? ओके का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? अभी आप ओके बोले ना, ओके का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? ओके, एक सेंटेंस बोल के दिखाओ इंग्लिश में. ऑलवेज मेकिंग नॉनसेंस हियर. All the other students, good morning.
Good
Good
morning, sir.
morning, sir.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, so here in the previous lecture, I was asking you certain questions, and before that, I gave you the time to find out the answer on your own. Now, in this lecture, I am going to display my screen, and you people are going to write question and answers from the screen. So, be ready with the rough book. Give the heading Poem 2 Question Answers. Poem 2 Question Answers. Give the heading. Question you will write one time, answer you will write two times. Question one time, answer two times. नहीं, इसके बाद अगर आपका माइक अभी ऑन हुआ तो ये तो फोन करने वाला हूँ कंप्लेन करने, उसके लिए डबल कंप्लेन होगी. So please give the heading today's date, subject English, poem 2, question answers. This much you have to write in the heading. After you get ready with all these things, after you give the heading, say yes, sir, and mute the mic.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Question one time, answer two times. You have to write in the rough book. Question one and answer one. Which country was Alexander originally the king of? Alexander was originally the king of Macedonia. Answer two times you have to write. Start writing. अभी हर एक आंसर के बाद yes sir मत बोलना. Only when I ask you to speak, you will speak. Otherwise, don't turn on the mic. You have 2 minutes left to complete writing the answer properly. Write with good handwriting. Otherwise, when you will send me the work, if your handwriting is not good, I will ask you to write it another two times. Okay, how many of you have finished writing answer number one two times?
सर मेरा हो गया.
If you want to speak in Hindi, please go out.
Sir. Complete.
Sir, my work is complete.
My work is.
सर मेरा एक ही बाकी है.
मैम जो हिंदी में बोल रहे हैं उसको निकाल दो प्लीज. दोज हु स्पीकिंग इन हिंदी प्लीज रिमूव देम.
Sir, my work is finished.
Okay. Question 2 and answer 2. Which great philosopher taught Alexander? Answer: Aristotle, the great philosopher, taught Alexander. After finishing answer 2, say yes, sir, and mute your mic immediately.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Question 3 and answer 3. Name the cities and countries that Alexander conquered. Answer: Alexander conquered Turkey, Syria, Egypt, Babylon, and Persia. See, last spelling you will not be able to read. Boys, pay attention here in the last spelling. Persia. I will type here. Okay. Start writing it 2 times.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question 4, answer. Okay, done. Thank you. Question 4, answer 4. Question: for how many years did Alexander wage war? Answer: Alexander waged war for 13 years. Full stop. Start writing it 2 times.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Alexander, next, what is this?
Waged.
Waste. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And question 5. List the three great qualities that Alexander possessed. Answer: Alexander was wise, brave, and a great commander. I think this is the last question of question and answers. Please write it two times. After you finish question 5, just say my work is finished and mute the mic.
Sir, my work is finished.
Sir, my work is finished. Sir, my work is finished. Sir, my work is finished.
Sir, my work is finished.
Sir, my work is finished. Sir, my work is finished.
Okay. So now, one by one, I will ask you to read the answer.
Sir, my work
Mohammed
is
Anas. Mohammed Anas.
Yes.
Read first question and first answer.
Okay, sir. Question 1. Which country was Alexander originally the king? Originally the king of. Alexander was originally the king of Anacon,
Macedonia.
Macedonia.
Okay. Now, Anas, select one name from the group. To whom do you want to read second question and answer?
Okay. Sahu Belim.
Yes, sir.
Read second question and answer, please.
Okay, sir. Which great philosopher taught Alexander? Aristotle, the great philosopher taught Alexander.
Very good. Now you select another name. To whom do you want to read the third question and
1
answer?
minute, sir. 1 minute. Sabi Amir. Yes, sir.
Third question and answer, read, please.
स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही है.
स्क्रीन क्या मैंने अभी लिखवाया आपको बेटा. What are you speaking? You did not write question and answer right now.
Yes, sir. बुक में से बोलूं.
Don't speak in Hindi. You should
I
read
will
from your
read.
book.
Okay, sir. Question 3. Name the cities and countries that Alexander conquered. Alexander
Conquered.
conquered Turkey, Syria, Egypt, Babylon, and Persia.
It's not Turkey, it's Turkey.
Turkey.
Read the full answer again.
Question 3. Name the cities and countries that Alexander conquered. Alexander
Conquered.
conquered. Alexander
Conquered.
conquered Turkey, Syria, Egypt,
Stop.
Babylon, Turkey, Syria,
Stop.
Syria,
I said
Egypt.
stop. स्टॉप का मतलब क्या? कॉन्क्यूरेड नहीं है, इट इज कॉन्क्योर्ड. तुर्की नहीं है, इट इज टर्की. रीड क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर अगेन.
Question 3. Name the cities and countries that Alexander conquered. Alexander conquered Turkey, Syria, Egypt, Babylon, and
रीड
Persia.
अगेन.
Question 3. Name the cities and countries that Alexander conquered. Alexander conquered Turkey, Syria,
नहीं.
Egypt,
अगेन तुर्की.
Babylon,
अगेन तुर्की. टर्की. इट इज नॉट टूरकी, इट इज टर्की.
Turkey.
नाउ रीड द आंसर
Name
अगेन.
the Alexander conquered Turkey, Syria, Egypt, Babylon, and Persia.
ओके, म्यूट द माइक. हुसैन आसर.
Yes, sir.
Next question and answer, please. Read it.
Yes, sir. For how many years did Alexander wage war? Alexander waged war for 13 years.
Okay, select another name.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Muhammad Raza Devjani.
Select another name.
Yes, sir. Muhammad Ghazi Bhojani.
Select another name.
Shahida Rajani, sir.
Yes, sir.
Read the another question.
List 3 great qualities that
Possess.
Alexander possessed. Alexander was wise. Sir, what is this?
Read the spelling.
Brave.
Huh? Hmm.
Brave and a great commander.
Very good. Okay, mute the mic. So, students, now whenever I told you whenever I am reading, you have to pay attention there because your pronunciation goes wrong. The way you speak is called pronunciation. So the way you speak that words is known as pronunciation. So that is why when I was reading the poem, I told you many times that students, please pay attention here so that you will know how to read certain words. But when you people don't pay attention, this happens. You people then don't know how to read those words, and then I have to scold you. We have already spent 2 lectures in reading. How to read it properly. First I read, and then I asked you to read one by one. So why these mistakes happens again and again? When sir is reading or when your friends are reading, you should pay attention there and you should know how to read the words. And just now, before 2 seconds, when I'm correcting you, it's not Turkey, it's Turkey. Again and again, how can you make the mistake? Tu and ta, both are different when you speak. So why can't you practice speaking? Just in the starting of the lecture, I told you that no one is going to speak in Hindi. Only if I think I have to give the instruction, I will speak. But you people are asking me the questions in Hindi. I will strictly not answer you. I will just ignore you if you will come to me with Hindi. It is not my language here. In this class, you have to learn English and to speak. Anyhow, I will teach you to speak. It is your responsibility to just try to speak in English rather than using another language. Okay, now whatever is left regarding lesson 1 and poem 2, you will get in the PDF form. I have already given question answers, meanings given word of lesson number 1 in the PDF. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
How
sir.
many of you have
Sir.
completed?
Sir,
Sir,
I.
my, sir, I.
Sir, I.
Sir, I.
Sir, my name is
Sir,
Sir, I.
Sir, my fair book is complete.
So when you speak sir, I, do I know your name? You are speaking sir, I, as if I know all of your name.
Sir, Pere Muhammad Mohan were complete, sir.
Sir, Gabran Mohammad Reza. Sir, complete.
Sir, complete.
Book complete, sir.
Okay. Take care. Have a nice day, people.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Egypt.
Recording is
What one your words out not to pass to Nicholas. Eh?
Recording start.
Jangan lokone.
Recording is start. Nobody.
Dia kelak baki sekali.
Para đây. Không cầm đây.
Ni.
Baru.
Cuma
Para
nih
para para. Balik. Jadi Gone aja ya. English one recording को करो.
Mitrani, recording is on, not screen present.